this stuff over here, I'm thinking needs to go. Yeah, right in the middle too.
What, this here?
Yeah. It's
Okay.
all boxed up and without looking at it real quick to see.
What about this?
I think so. I'm looking at it real quick to make sure. I'll come down here again. My husband will come out here.
Does it flood over here? I'd be scared to death with that water in my backyard.
Oh no. It floods more in Mobile than it does here.
What?
Because there's no way for the water to come out in Mobile. Here's a big bay, so
Right.
bay absorbs. A lot of people think that. I did too.
Yeah.
But yeah, he needs to come down and tell you what needs to go under here. But most of this stuff, I'm thinking it needs to go.
Okay.
All the furniture over there. Yeah.
Okay.
It's just it attracts rats when you got a lot of stuff.
Right.
Around. And I just don't, can't deal with that. My husband just had back surgery, so he I think he probably want to get rid of that lawnmower too.
This one?
Yeah.
Uh-huh.
And I don't know, maybe it's in the garage. I don't know if he can get rid of that one too. But this one I'm pretty sure he wants to get rid of.
Mm-hmm.
And I have one other thing on the deck back here I'll show you that we need to get rid of.
Yeah. That great thing?
Yeah. It worked. I didn't hardly use it maybe 2 times.
For real?
If that many times.
Okay.
But it's kind of like rusting or whatever. It probably still works.
Okay.
I got another one up there already. But that's all that needs to go here.
Okay.
And over here, let me see. You see this part here? Right there by the car. That part right there is more old furniture. And that bottom needs to go too.
Talking about this here?
Mm-hmm. The barbecue pit.
Okay.
Maybe not there. The barbecue pit. Though, in this furniture here like this.
Not this though, right?
No, not these chairs.
Okay.
But I don't know. My husband had to tell you about that. But yeah, all this stuff needs to go.
Okay.
I don't know what that. Oh, that's just a thing. No, that's on the back end.
Okay.
All right, he should be coming down soon.
What about this drywall?
I don't know. Just have to tell you about that. In my opinion, it should go, but I can't. All this shit could
That's
go
all
if
right.
it was up to me.
Yeah.
But I know not this, because this goes to lip.
Okay.
Like this glass. The rest of it, I don't know. He'll have to tell you. Let me see if he's ready to come down yet.
Okay, no problem.
Rico recommended it to us. He's our pest guy.
Oh, for real?
Gulf Coast Pest.
Right.
Yeah, I told him, look, come out here and give me recommend somebody to me to come out here and give me an estimate. And I got somebody else coming tomorrow.
Right.
To give me an estimate. Be the first one to come out. Let's see. Let's see if he gets